Wouldn't you know it, just when home ownership in the GTA is becoming more affordable, we're faced with yet another barrier keeping buyers on the sidelines. According to TRREB, prices became more attractive in March compared to last year, down 2.5%, reaching just below 1.1 million. Combined with reduced borrowing costs, we should feel more confident in buying a home, right? Not necessarily. TRREB Chief Information Officer Jason Mercer points out that current trade uncertainty and the upcoming federal election were shaking that confidence. Hopefully, come May, trade issues are resolved, the election satisfies the average Canadian, and buyers feel more secure in their jobs. Our president at TRREB expects further rate cuts to help reduce mortgage payments that bolster that confidence. With that in mind, playing the waiting game in this current market isn't such a bad idea. Although prices are low, the prospect of further rate reductions and worries of potential job loss are reasons to take a deep breath and wait a little bit longer to see how things pan out. And just remember, your decision to buy shouldn't rely on generalized advice. Your decisions need to be specific to your current situation to avoid missing out on current opportunities. We're also seeing the election force competing leaders to prioritize housing and pitch viable ideas to help meet housing demand. This can also help put a downward pressure on prices with more affordable options out there. Of course, fulfilling those promises will be a different story. Expanding housing developments is also a key economic driver moving forward. According to our CEO at TRREB, we need to see changes that help speed up development and refocuses on the type of housing to increase purpose-built rental units. This is becoming more and more important as more landlords become soured by the volatile market and growing challenges with the landlord and tenant dispute process. As for you sellers out there, we're still seeing high inventory contribute to reduced prices. You might want to rethink selling unless it's absolutely necessary and wait for the market to start rebounding. As buyers regain confidence and start buying up that excess inventory, prices will start to inch back up. If you have to sell, depending on your current home equity, you could still stand to make a respectable profit despite the reduced prices. Plus, if you're selling to upsize or downsize, you can take advantage of reduced interest rates and leverage your buyer's negotiating power to get a better deal. It's worth some time to consider your specific situation, determine if selling can work in your favor. We're here to talk things through and help you make an informed decision whether you're buying or selling. Hang in there.